Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment on NZD CHF? Now, from a weekly perspective, what do we have? We have a market that has created a beautiful impulse to the downside, followed by this nice retracement. Now, if we want to measure this retracement, what are we supposed to be doing? If you want information on a retracement, you always have to take the Fibonacci on the impulse. So taking our Fibonacci from the high to the low of the impulse, what we can clearly see that the market at the moment is facing the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, aka the golden ratio. So at the moment we are at the golden ratio area, and from here we at least expect a reaction to the downside. Now, from a daily perspective, what kind of situation we have? Now, on the daily time frame, we have created a minor W formation, rejecting this clear structure from a daily perspective, which was previous resistance here, turn resistance at this area. And from here, the market made this nice move to the upside. Now, since the market rejected this previous resistance turn support, created this W formation, and we are at the weekly 0.618, we definitely can start monitoring for a possible short opportunity, but it is a little bit riskier. Why? Because we have this previous resistance turn support as well from this area. So we are near a support area and a resistance area from a weekly Fibonacci perspective. Now, if we go and see what kind of situation we have from a COT perspective. Now, checking the CHF, basically at the moment CHF, why did it get a little bit weaker? As you know, CHF got weaker across all markets because obviously in this case there are fundamentals involved with that, as you know. But if we go and see what is the situation from an NZD perspective, we can see that overall is not, I mean, yes, if you look at the long-term, net positions did decrease a lot, but if you look at the shorter term, you can see that we went from minus 20k to minus 14k. However, there weren't proper longs added, especially with the last reports. So we can't really expect too much strength from an NZD perspective, at least at the moment. However, we might see CHF continue to getting weaker, therefore a NZD CHF continue to the upside. Because keep in mind, yes, we do have the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement here, but nobody said that if the market makes first a push to the upside, we can still see the weekly time frame close back below the area, or even better, to see a fake breakout. So at the moment, the best probability, where would it be? Is it to enter inside of this area? Obviously not. It's too risky. Why? Because we anyway have strong daily support at this area. But if we will see NZD CHF continue to the upside, possibly for some weakness on the CHF, then that would be perfect, because we would have the possibility, if obviously the market will show us one of our valid entries, to give us a nice shorting opportunity from the high and basically be risk-free when the market will reach this area. And if the market will break this area, then it will be a huge risk to reward trade to the upside. And if the market bounces, it will anyway be a break-even trade, so nobody really cares. So overall, we have this minor W formation. We expect it to be, we need it to be a little bit more overextended. And then with students, we will be monitoring price action on the 4-hour time frame inside of this region, waiting for the market to shift from a bullish market to a bearish market and provide to us one of our valid entries for a first push to this target, and then obviously possibly to see the market break. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.